It's still alive.
He's not trying to kill it. He wants to play with it.
He's gonna eat it here in a minute. Praying mantis has met his match with a kitten.
Do they bite?
Yeah. Better get that thing. Get it, kitty.
Cops will be here any second. Oh, I'm so scared.
How in the world did you sneak this thing in from, kitty? You just brought it inside the house?
Yeah. Maybe those two bats were there.
Oh yeah.
2 bats.
Yeah, they brought in bats.
They were laying right there on their back. Cats.